Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to install the YouTube app in your laptop or Windows 10 PC here. So first of all, you just need to go to your browser here, which I'm using the Chrome browser here. So you just have to go to your Chrome browser and in the Google here, search for YouTube here, youtube.com. Then go to the youtube.com website here. After opening the youtube.com, you just have to go to the three-line menu here, three-dot menu here in the right corner. In the Chrome browser, you will find this is the three-dot menu in the right corner. So just click on it. And when you are in the youtube.com here, you will find this install YouTube option here. As you can see, there is an option called install YouTube. So what you have to just click on it and now install the app of YouTube here. So just click on install. And your YouTube app is now installed in your laptop or PC. As you can see, this is the app that opening here in the YouTube. So if I just close it and if I minimize it, and as you can see, there's a YouTube app in my laptop here. So if I just click on it, so it will directly open the youtube.com as an app here. So that's it guys. This is how you can install the YouTube app in your laptop or Windows 10 or Windows 11 here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.